Don't you dare take a picture of me.
No. So
You're going to take a video of your screen.
Yeah.
I'm on the rapid.
Wherever you go, baby.
Whoa.
I see that sunshine.
Jesus, we're going a bit fast now.
On a river, just the two of us. On its own.
We're going back first. Whoa.
It's me.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's a roller coaster. Roller coaster.
My phone's a bit wet.
Yeah, faster than you, maybe.
Whoa,
Yeah, you behind us.
Whoa, whoa.
Picking up behind us. Come on then. Get
One lad,
behind me.
Brian, Wednesday! Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, he was going to sit there.
Holy
My
shit.
shoes!
Oh, he was going to sit there.
My shoes! My great football socks!
My dog! Where are we going? We're going to a big black...
No. Somebody was right. He was right. Somebody was right. No.
Shut up! Shut that! That's nothing to be singing! Whoa, whoa! Whoa! No! Oh, sugar!
My God!
Whoa, whoa! Whoa! It's going through!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Help! Oh God, Brian, you're gonna get yourself.
What the hell?
Slowly stand in centre.
But Ian, for Wednesday!
1, 2, 3. Wednesday!
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
What the hell?
Ah!
You got soaked.
Sir.
Yeah, because it's coming over the back. That's why I'm on the wrong side. I am. I was on the back. Yes, Siri!
Dance from the back.
No!
Adam, give me
No! Oh.
Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my!
Don't go chasing.
Yes! Yes! Please stop!
No! 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 No!
No!
No! No! No! Whoa! 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 Jesus!
I am French.
Jesus, John!
Yes! Dan, run over to us and I no! Please, no!
Hey, Hitler!
Let's get myself
You can get lost! What's that, mate?
Oh!
Oh! I know, yeah. Hitler.
Brian is having sex on the rapids.
Everybody have sex on. What the?
Did you say Adam?
You did harder. You did harder.
Hello?
This is going fucking huge.
Jesus, Johnny, it's fucking huge. My money's soaked, it's all your fault.
How's it yours?
Yeah, it's still great.
Ow. Ow.
Oh shit.
Buddy.
Oh no, seriously, look at that, man. Look at that, I am French.
I'm done. Chicken in there. Oh, are you going in? Okay,
Nigga.
10. Okay, 10.
Nigga.
Shoot your mate. Okay.
Spending much on.
I want to spend a bit.
Spending a bit. Knowing you, you'll probably spend like 50 quid.
Hey, can we run again?
No, I ain't gonna get in there.
Actually,